doors. It's an electric cover as well. Just one piece of door like that. And two pieces of door around the door, just like that, at the right height. So like that. So, and that will complete the installation process. So we are nearly there. And progress. So that's these. Okay, so we are now at the end of this exercise, our demonstration process, the purpose of which was to show how to install a door and moulding around the door, and how to install a window and moulding around window. So just to summarise the process, so what I've done today was this. I had to cut the door jambs to size and install them, then door stops and install them around the door. Then we had to measure the position for hinges and install hinges so it's all level. Once we've installed the hinges on the door jamb and on the door itself, we've hung the door, and at the end the result is that it looks good. You can tweak it a little bit, but really generally speaking, the end result is good. So no issues with the door. And the same thing we have to do with the window. So I've cut myself this frame for the window and installed it. And under the window, I've installed the flashing and sacking for the insulation and the rest of it. Now that the window is in place, I've cut this simple moulding around the window and installed it as well. So it's nice and tidy, and it all looks. The size and really cut corners. So this is something that's very important. So to cut corners, you've got to use well, there are different things, but in this case, I used a nitric compounded saw. So you can cut corners depending on what's required. So that's, I suppose, the key element in all of this. So knowing how to cut corners correctly, nicely. Because if the corners are cut correctly, then the installation process is really relatively easy, because everything goes into position, and you use nails not too big so you don't damage the skirting. So all of them are already placed in position. So I'm not going to go around the whole thing, but I'll just illustrate. So you can't hit the nail too high, too low. You really need to go somewhere in between, not too close to the edge, so to avoid unnecessary cracking. And if you notice that it might crack, then you might crack off.